everybody, welcome back to another video. My name is Alana and today I'm going to give you a full tour of a Premier Inn in Germany. So I didn't realise there was actually a couple of Premier Inns in Germany and we are at the one in Berlin, ALEXANDERPLATZ, and I'm going to give you a bit of a tour today and show you just how awesome it is. Now we've got 2 nights here which were €113 in January, and these are twin beds, and let's go with the room tour. So we are on the 6th floor of a 10-floor Premier Inn, and it is literally 5 minutes from Alexanderplatz, which is the city centre of Berlin. Overall, the room was very similar to a typical Premier Inn in the UK. It had lots of lights, it was very modern, it was very chic, and my favourite part was definitely the purple lights. Being situated in the city centre of Berlin, I don't think you can get a much more affordable price, and the hotel had absolutely everything you need for a perfect stay. So behind this very fancy door is the bathroom, and it's a very simple bathroom. You don't actually have the bath, you just simply have a shower, which looks quite nice, and you've also got the little sink with some hand wash. In the shower you do have a shower wash, but you don't actually have any shampoos or conditioners, and we've got some towels, we've got the toilet, very basic, a very basic bathroom, but a nice mirror. Some features of this room include a hand dryer, coffee, mugs, a kettle, glasses, tea, little coat hanger area. So talking about the location, the Alexanderplatz is literally just 2 minutes around the corner, so it's really close, a lot more closer than what I thought. So a really good location, and about 5 minutes from a train which can connect you to the airport, but also other parts of Berlin. And as a location to stay in, Alexanderplatz is perfect. It's in the city centre of Berlin, and it's got amazing food malls and shopping centres. It's also only a short walk from the UNESCO World Heritage Site Museum Island in Berlin. Otherwise, being one of the most connected train stations in the city, Alexanderplatz train station underground can take you pretty much anywhere in Berlin, including Brandenburg Gate, the Reichstag building and the East Side Gallery. Thank you so much for watching my video on the Premier Inn at Alexanderplatz in Berlin. We really enjoyed our visit and felt very safe inside the hotel, and we would recommend it to anyone travelling to Berlin. Thank you very much for watching. Remember to like and subscribe.